the wonderful thing about technology too is that it can be templatable. Once you've created certain code, now again, for those that know about this, please pardon me if I'm not being as technical as I should be, because again, I'm an urban planner. The ability, and one of my, I guess my whole drive with moving into programming work was to take the fear out of technology and out of IT. And it'd be fair to say that, like a lot of non-technology companies, we've got an IT department. And it'd be fair to say that, you know what, we've had some bad experiences there because there's an awful lot of trust. So my journey with technology is, if we produce output, it needs to be able to be easily used by non-technical people in a non-threatening way. So with everything that we're producing with our e-learning, it's all about templatable solutions. It's all about drag and drop technology. Yes, there's the back end, but again, with technology and the way it can sit in the cloud and do other things, it's pretty good the way you can access that and look after it. But for the person who's using it, whether it's the teacher, the kid, whoever, for them to be able to use things and drag and drop things into their platforms with ease and with comfort is very important to us. Just like, you know, what, again, Apple and you know, Microsoft Surface are doing with their drag and drop technologies, same concept, make it easy to use. Here's an example of how we've taken the platform that we'd originally developed for the mining sector, simplified it, and we've taken the health education message of alcohol in your brain and simply turned it into an online question and answer quiz. One of the other features that we've introduced is certainty-based marking, which again, technology, computers, it's wonderful. So certainty-based marking basically says, if you're really sure that you've got the question right and you're very confident and you want to put your hand up and acknowledge that, we're going to give you more points for that. However, if you're really sure that you're right and you get the question wrong, we're going to penalise you. So we want you to put a line through where you think you sit, because obviously in things like safety, if you're really sure that you shouldn't be standing in that position and you're wrong, well, that could be a life-threatening situation. And the more data that can be collected to help people understand, you know, where people sit with whether they think they're right or whether they think they're wrong is a valuable thing. So this is a little snippet on the certainty-based marking.
Once you have the visualization and really know the course materials, you are ready to take the quiz. So click through to enter. The quiz incorporates an academically endorsed certainty-based marking design. For each answer, indicate your degree of certainty that your answer will be marked as correct. You need to select low, medium, or high certainty. Certainty-based marking follows the premise that a confident, correct answer deserves more marks than a lucky guess, and that a confident wrong answer deserves a penalty. Certainty-based marking encourages learners to reflect on their level of knowledge, and it produces a higher quality of assessment data. We've also introduced engaging 3D objects to questions, where you can interact with the 3D object to help improve the learning and understanding of the subject. If you're unsure of the answer, you are able to use the hint feature, which takes you back to the section of the video that discusses the content.